and welcome to When You Search for the Truth. Did you know scientists have determined that we know less than 5% of what's really out there in the universe? That includes all we know about the planet Earth, our solar system, and the Milky Way galaxy. That includes all we know, or should I say, what we don't know about other possible universes. The universes that are being speculated by modern day physicists. But if we added one more universe, that would drop our knowledge level of what's really out there to less than 2.5%. What if we go up to 10? I know, quit being silly. But believe it or not, modern science is telling us that there could be far more than just 10 universes out there besides our own. But let's go with 10. And if we had 10, we would have a knowledge level of less than 0.5% of what's really out there. But let's stick with the facts. We know for sure that there is only one universe out there, and that we only know about 5% of what's really out there. With that said, there are over 1 billion people on planet Earth that proudly and definitively proclaims there is no God. Now, before I go any further, let me pause for a moment and state two additional facts. Fact number one, there is absolutely no proof that there is a God. As a Christian, I freely admit that, and I have to live with that. However, atheists have to work with and live with fact number two. Fact number two says, there is far more evidence out there that points to a God than not point to a God. With that said, those three facts, knowing less than 5% of what's really out there, knowing that there's absolutely no proof that there is a God, but there is far more evidence that points to a God than not a God, shows that atheism is just like any other faith-based religion around the world. It takes far more faith for an atheist to believe in atheism than a Christian or Jew or any other believer in today's faith. That brings us to our number one question that atheists cannot answer intelligently. How can you say there is no God when you are ignorant of over 95% of what's out there? And that is what you'll find when you search for the truth.